We'll guide you through how to check if your Instagram account is public or private. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you want to check if your Instagram account is public or private. It's important to go and know this setting because it goes and changes if anybody can go and see your posts and your content and your account, or if only people you go and approve can. So if it's a private account, this means that only the followers that you approve can go and see what you share and your content, including location pages and who you follow and your followers as well. Some things are still visible, like your profile picture, but most things are going to be private. Whereas when your account is public, your profile and posts can be seen by anyone, on or off Instagram as well, for example, from search engines as well. So we'll guide you through how you can go and check this and then how you can go and change it as well. So what you could do is come to your profile as I am here, press that in the bottom right. Next, you need to go to the top right and you can go and press on the three lines and that will go and open up the settings and activity. And what you need to do is come down the page and you can go and find the option for account privacy and who can see your content, and you can tap there. At the top, you're going to see the switch for private account. So as you can see, mine's currently off, indicating my account is set to public. So anybody can go and see it. If I wanted to go make it private, then what I can do is go and switch it on like so. Then we can go and confirm the changes that are going to be happening here and press switch to private if you're sure. And that's it. What you can then do is go and swipe back. You go and say about reviewing followers, as when it's private, that's what happens. You can approve or accept followers. What you're going to notice with a private account as well, there's a padlock icon in the top left of the profile page. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.